Okay, so if you want to change your language, just go to your profile. Close all this. Go back because it's bugged. Okay, go to the top. You have the settings icon. You can't press it because it's bugged again. Just go back. Yeah, okay. So now you can actually tap it. Go to courses. So first, you have to remove your course. Remove. And tap done. Now you're gonna restart the whole setting up process. But so what you have to do is, because your default language is going to be the same language you just removed, so just go back and you have all these languages you can start back again with. And so you're basically changing the language. Music, what? Yeah, anyways, so yeah, that's how you switch the language. Now you're going to go through the whole setting up. The bird is going to ask you bunch of questions, which I'm not gonna go through because I've been doing this thing like 3 times already. But yeah, that's how you change a course language. You have to go and remove the existing one. Make sure you go back and tap the back arrow, and then you can select the previous language, or a different language, and yeah, that's all.